In this video, we will show you how easy it is to start using Diamond on your Mac with Microsoft Remote Desktop and Microsoft Azure Cloud Service in just a few simple steps. We recommend you to pause after each step and repeat the action yourself. Step 1. Go to App Store application and search for Microsoft Remote Desktop. Press Get and wait till application is downloaded to your Mac. Step 2. In order to create a virtual machine on Azure, go to Azure website and create an account. Once that's done, go to Create a Resource. Type in Microsoft Windows 10 in Search and click on Create. Then click on Start Free. Step 3. Fill in the form to register on Azure portal. Step 4. Now it's time to create a virtual machine. Follow the steps to have virtual machine launched. Please notice virtual machine is created. Now you can connect to it. Step 5. Go to Resource and then to Connect page of the virtual machine. Step 6. Now click on Download RDP file, go to Downloads and open this file. The connection is being started. Enter your username and password, which you set during creating virtual machine, and click Continue. One more time, click on Continue to confirm the connection. And now the connection is being made to Windows. Step 7. Turn off all privacy settings on this step and press Accept. The Windows virtual machine is created. Please notice how easy it is to switch between Windows and Mac. Just swipe and you're on the Mac, and one more swipe and you're on Windows. Step 8. Now the final step is to set up Diamond software. Go to Windows Desktop and to Diamond website. First, you have to create an account. You will then receive a link on your email. Then download the software. Start the installation procedure. Copy and paste the license. And now you're ready to use Diamond.